Hardwood floor colors in 2026 are turning homes into artistic statements without losing warmth or practicality. The reigning hardwood color this year is a creamy, soft blonde that brings out the natural grain of wooden floor planks. Blonde hardwood floor tones reflect more light, making small spaces feel airy and contemporary. Classic walnut wooden floor shades are back with a vengeance, but with a modern, matte finish. Homeowners are gravitating towards low-gloss hardwood floor options that look natural and age beautifully. Greige, the blend of gray and beige, is dominating the hardwood color palette with its balanced, calming appeal. This year's wooden floor trend leans toward cool undertones, giving rooms a clean and effortless look. Rich espresso hardwood floor shades are being used to create elegant contrast against light-colored walls. Medium-toned wooden floor finishes strike the perfect balance between timeless charm and modern edge. Stained white oak hardwood floor styles are leading in high-end renovations for their luxurious neutrality. The demand for sustainable wooden floor sources has driven up interest in reclaimed hardwood color varieties. In 2026, distressed hardwood floor looks are softer and more refined, not overly rustic or artificial. Earthy hardwood color tones, inspired by clay and sandstone, are finding their way into cozy, grounded interiors. Black wooden floor planks are making a dramatic comeback, especially in minimalist and industrial settings. Scandinavian-inspired whitewashed hardwood floor shades still remain popular for creating bright, minimalist homes. People are loving the contrast of dark wooden floor borders, framing lighter hardwood floor inlays. Hand-scraped hardwood color finishes give a lived-in authenticity that machine-smooth options can't replicate. Bleached wooden floor planks are favored for coastal and modern farmhouse vibes without being too kitschy. Cool-toned gray hardwood floor looks are fading, slowly giving way to warmer, softer alternatives. But charcoal wooden floor designs are still holding strong in ultra-modern, tech-forward interiors. One new hardwood color trend is the subtle integration of pinkish hues to soften traditional wood warmth. Layered tones in a single hardwood floor, like blending chestnut and ash, are adding visual depth without noise. High-variation wooden floor planks with natural tone shifts are trending in open, concept spaces for texture. Muted amber hardwood color styles are quietly rising, adding a vintage charm without looking dated. People are experimenting with diagonal layouts to emphasize the richness of their hardwood floor colors. Eco-conscious consumers are leaning into bamboo wooden floor looks that mimic traditional hardwood tones. Taupe hardwood floor tones are the new go-to neutral, pairing effortlessly with nearly every decor scheme. Metallic undertones in wooden floor planks are an emerging trend, especially brushed bronze and copper hints. Refinished antique hardwood floor styles are becoming a form of preservation with a design twist. Matte finishes are in, and ultra-glossy hardwood color options are slowly disappearing from modern catalogs. Oil-finished wooden floor treatments are preferred for their soft sheen and ability to highlight texture. Herringbone and chevron patterns enhance the impact of any hardwood floor color, especially medium tones. In kitchens, waterproof wooden floor alternatives in warm oak tones are replacing tile entirely. Warm red oak hardwood floor looks are becoming popular again, especially in retro or mid-century homes. Dual-tone wooden floor styles, darker edges with lighter centers, are making bold design statements. Soft mocha hardwood floor hues are proving versatile, pairing well with both modern and traditional furniture. Neutral beige wooden floor shades may sound boring, but in 2026 they're essential to minimalist aesthetics. For those looking to stand out, deep green tinted hardwood floor finishes are an artistic new experiment. People are painting old wooden floorboards in bold colors, then sanding them down for a time-worn effect. Low Vox stains in natural hardwood color ranges are becoming the industry standard for health-conscious consumers. Wide plank wooden floor formats are ideal for showcasing the beauty of both subtle and bold hardwood colors. Honey-toned hardwood floor shades offer a happy medium between modern and traditional looks. In rental properties, luxury vinyl planks with realistic wooden floor colors are dominating budget upgrades. Neutral hardwood color schemes remain safest for resale value, but 2026 homeowners are taking more creative risks. Subtle sparkle in some hardwood floor sealants is a fun twist showing up in glam-inspired interiors. Burnt umber wooden floor styles are trending among those who want cozy, moody spaces without going too dark. Soft, brushed hardwood floor surfaces are more tactile and inviting than polished alternatives. And remember, your hardwood floor color isn't just a background, it's the soul of your space.